Click2Cloud presents this video to showcase big data analytics. We have created an intelligent system on top of Huawei's cloud services. It mainly comprises Huawei Fusion Intelligent Data Lake. The data is collected from various sources and transformed for analytics purposes. It can be visualized on Power BI, web apps, and mobile apps platforms. Let's see the Power BI dashboards for World Bank Analytics. The World Trade Map makes it easy to analyze trade balance between two countries. Let's see the top 10 trading partners. If you hover over any region, you will see its growth, imports, and trade balance. Here, selecting any of the countries will provide you with a graphical representation of trade balance. Depending on the selection, the graphical representation will be adjusted accordingly. For healthy trade, it is considered to have a positive trade balance where it is considered that export should be greater than import. Selecting the partner country, it will showcase the export and import partner of that particular region. Drop-down allows you to select for which country you wish to see the export and to which country. For showcasing the value of import and export data, you need to select the regions from where you want to see for export to where you want to see for import and selecting the respective year. This trade history compares the previous trades with the current trade. Detailed analysis graph provides you with growth, trade balance, import-export in detail. This graph shows the top trading partners of listed countries. Click2Cloud.com. Thank you.